There is an important distinction to make regarding the current service campaigns for the screens in the Hyundai Tucson NX4 generation, 2021 to 2026. Hyundai's active campaigns for these monitors are for software updates, not automatic hardware replacements. Dealers will only physically replace the audio monitor, head unit, or instrument cluster if the hardware is found to be completely defective or becomes bricked and is still covered under your vehicle's warranty. If you are experiencing issues with a screen in your Tucson, it likely falls under one of these two major campaigns. 1. The Central Audio Monitor / Infotainment Campaign, Campaign T9D/TBW. This service campaign addresses bugs within the Central Display Audio 2.0V or AVN 5th Gen systems. The problem? You may experience the screen freezing, Bluetooth connectivity dropping, or an issue where the Bluelink/Bluetooth volume becomes completely unavailable. The fix: the dealership will flash the system with a mandatory software update via a USB drive. This takes about 15 to 30 minutes and corrects the volume and stability bugs. 2. The Digital Instrument Panel Campaign, Recall 26V047. If you meant the driver's display, the screen behind the steering wheel, there is a recent safety recall specifically for this monitor. The problem? Electrical noise in the Power Management Integrated Circuit, PMIC, can cause the digital instrument panel to intermittently reboot or go completely blank while you are driving, masking your speedometer and warning lights. The fix: like the center audio monitor, this is remedied by a free software update via TSB 26-01-011H-1, not a physical screen replacement. How to proceed: if you take your vehicle in for the campaign and the dealership determines your monitor has suffered an internal hardware failure that cannot be fixed by the software flash, they will submit a claim to replace the physical LCD display unit, part number 96525-N7090RET or similar. If the vehicle is out of warranty, you or the dealer will need to submit a prior approval request to Hyundai for goodwill consideration to cover the cost of the replacement. Otherwise, the physical replacement of the head unit out of pocket can be quite expensive.
Thank you for watching this cinematic showcase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated with Automobile Tech 2027.